Bro, it drained. We tried to put water in, it drained. What's so funny? What's so funny?
What?
Okay. I have Charoni. Bro! Let's see inside your ear. Ew! Look away! Choy, say cheese. Look at it later. Look. I have Charoni. Bro! Let's see inside your ear. Ew! Look away. Choy, say cheese. Look at it later. Look, dami.
Nakita mo picture ko kahapon sa sunset.
May internet ba dito? Oh, go get it. Choy. Run!
Ang paa. Naisahan mo din. Ang re-reklamo niya. Malagpag. Sagutin mo, Choy! Sagutin mo! Danin. Ayaw ko natin. Naubos ko yung ilagay mo dito, oh. Talaga? Very good. Ayoko na magkilo. Takot ako. Akala ko bumaba ng
Give me that, Choy. Wala ba tayong basurahan? Hindi na. Hindi kasi ito
mismo, oh.
Hindi yung tissue niya kasi.
Akin na nga yan. Beto, may basurahan ko.
Give it to Tito Choy. Tissue.
Ultra.
Wala na. Pwede nang iwan-iwan si Choy. Marunong na kumain mag-isa. Ba't nakapatong naman din kasi?
Hindi nga. Nagkakaano siya. Tapos, nagmana talaga sa'yo kuya pag kumakain. Nakapatong yung paa niya.
Kay mama niya. Ganyan din mama niya nagkataas ang paa.
Mahal lang naman.
Si Choi Choi, nung maliit pa si Rachel, parang si Choi. Ganyan na ganyan, naaalala ko si Rachel sa ano ni Choi, sa figure ni Choi.
Huwag lang magmano ng pakasweet boy.
Mama, tissue please.
Save Choi Choi.
Daddy, I'm going. Get up onto my hand. I can't. I can't. Come on, Daddy. Go down. Hello.
Remove it. Pull it out. Come on, I'll pull it out.
No, I can't move it.
Diba? Balik tayo doon. Dalawa ng pack ang bilhin natin. Masarap ka lang. Diba?
32 pa.
Gusto mo ka bang katanong Isparan? Paborito mo yung binili natin ng Rodeo? Yan ang anong shoots kaya ang ginagamit?
Diba sa Pinas meron kang pangdaan, nilalaban talaga nila sa ibang school.
Good. Para doon ma-excite tayo manood.
Like yung pinuntahan, yung in-invite ako nila tita dyan, diba? Doon sila naglaro.
Tita? Jen? Dalawa. Let's go. No, magbag-babal na tayo.
Ikaw ang bahala ka Choi magbandaw ha?
Oh, asa mo ang damit na ni?
Ayun o.
Diyan mo na siya din.
Isang towel na lang kayo eh.
Hindi pwede.
Ay, oo nga pala.
Discarte mo ito. Nasa discarte pa kasi yan. With high honors, yung confidence level nila mababa. Alam mo yun? Kaya pa iba-iba din ang ano.
So ano? Diploma or diskarte?
If you have both, it's quietly fair and quietly, you know what, perfect. Perfect. Nasa tao naman kasi talaga yan. Nasa tao kung paano ko talaga, paano nga yung how to deal with. The important thing is, you're happy for what you're doing. That's the main thing.
It's a wave only, not tsunami.
Kaya, iyanap ko siya. Iilag ko siya doon papunta na. No. Ay, it's fine. You go back, let's go back. Tapos may maya naman. Tita, help me in this tsunami.
Kiss mama. Kiss mama.
No, tita.
Namiss ka na nito eh. Tingnan ka lang kasi nito eh.
This tsunami.
Shit, di ba mahal na yan sa 50 dirhams? Dapat nang tag-35 lang oh.
Ang alin?
Yung upuan.
50 dirhams? Matibay na yun, 50 dirhams.
Ang lamesa. Oo.
May full na lamesa si Kuan, laki.
O, nasaan?
Nandun sa box.
Isang box?
Nandun lang sa gilid.
Kalit nun, pang ano naman yun, pang
Breakfast
pang
Doon mo ilagay sa ano.
Ikaw na, Papa.
The cat will be die.
But
Doon mo
no,
ilagay
I
yun.
have 170.
Yeah?
It's a thunder.
Yeah. Gusto kaya nila? Ayaw. Ayaw nila yan. Broski, that's literally just squid. Koko mo, ate ko. Ang sharp. Ay! Meow.
Joy, behave.
Can I go back to my chair, please?
That's you.
Bye-bye.
I will make you run.
Yep.
How are you?
I love
It's a her. It's a girl.
I love her.
It's a girl cat.
Get it because you're a girl? She is good around.
Ah, so cute. Bye-bye. Kasi parang yun na. It likes daddy. Bye.
This is Daddy. Daddy, go.
She's going away na.
Nervous
Wait, no, she's going to mama.
Mama!
No.
There's a cat. Mama,
Meow, meow.
can I have a cat, please? Please, Mama. Please. Please. If you don't bring
Hey, baby.
I'm sad.
Oh! What if
Go to daddy.
No. I want to bring him.
Do you think she'll like bread? Come on.
The cat. We must stop the doctor to check the cat.
But mama, you're allergic.
Mama, I just said you're allergic.
Yes.
I'm not allergic of animals.
So what about May?
Mama, I will protect you.
Wow, you're so sweet, love. Ang mama.
Come. Let's go to your spot.
I have 0 pets.
You have 0 pets?
Yeah, because
Di ba
pets
pinakain ng bread?
steal.
Ayaw niya. Matigas yung bread.
900.
May bread ba?
Burger.
Yeah, me too. I love cats.
Inom ka lang.
But sometimes when I was little, they bite me.
Okay, bye-bye.
They bite me here.
Oh, what about the cockroaches?
Yeah, they do. They also do. I hate cockroaches. They eat my soul away. If they eat my soul away, I will die.
Excuse me. Excuse me. You're not allowed good. You're not allowed. Why? You're not allowed. You go there.
See?
What?
I am so smart.
Why?
I don't think so.
See?
I was the one who taught them that.
There's a path. There's a pathway.
Now, how do you cross?
Wait, carry me.
Ah, you're so heavy.
Nah.
You're so heavy.
Carry me.
I can.
I can't.
I can.
I can't walk
Look, oh.
anywhere.
We have Oreo. Oreo,
Oreo.
I'm gonna show them Oreo.
What are you?
Oreo, the cat.
Can you come? I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
You can do it. You're a big boy. You're not the baby anymore. Yo!
Oh, I did it. See? I'm smart.
Smart. Nagpakarga ka lang eh.
There's a pathway.
Come with me.
Hey, how do I get across? Give me daddy's phone.
No.
I can't jump.
I need this.
Come.
I like daddy's phone.
Come.
I like daddy's phone.
No. No, I doesn't. Did you unlock all the friends?
What friends?
Wait, I want to go talk about God.
Storytelling. Once upon a time, there's two siblings
What did you do to Tita
sitting
Kat?
down. What?
I want to talk about God.
Ate, I think you have to tell a story to Choy Choy.
Once upon a time in a Valentine.
Gimme.
Once upon a time, there's a...
Tita Sha.
Son.
Sorry, Choy, sorry. You're not allowed to use it. Just sit down. I'll take video.
No, not in the sun. Not in the sun.
Yeah, you already clean it. You're not allowed to play.
Oh, he follows me. He's following me. Cats don't bite us.
Bye, Kat. Say bye to Oreo.
Bye, Oreo. I miss you.
Video me.
Do not. Don't you? That's my cat.
They're scaring Oreo.